Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have the Google account added to your device, you will have to sign in right now or log in, and then tap on this circle, which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device, and tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all apps which are currently installed on my device, and to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And in my case, I've got 33 of them, so of course I can mark all of them and update all of those apps, but I can also pick only particular options. So let me pick, for example, the Google Chrome, the digital well-being, and maybe career services. So after marking the apps, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now your device will download the apps, and after that it will automatically apply them and install on the app. So basically you do not really have to do anything more, just wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.